Thank you for joining us for Eyewitness News early today. We're going to get a check of your forecast. Let's head on over to meteorologist Alison Pryor. Alison, I got to say, walked outside this morning, grabbed my rain jacket, but it is hot outside.
It is. So you want the raincoat because of the rain later on, but you're not going to need a jacket this morning as far as those temperatures go. We're having a mixture of 60s and 70s, but with that humidity, it's really comfortable outside. Probably what you would normally want your thermostat to be set at indoors. So currently 71 degrees in Chattanooga, 68 in Cleveland, 72 Dalton, and 70 in Fort Payne. Remember, our dew points are kind of flirting right around that 70-degree mark as well, which means we have that mugginess that's in the air. It's a little bit sticky out there. Here's a look at our winds and radar together. So I've got the radar on there and then the steering current winds. So it's a little bit above what the surface level is. You can see a couple of those just light little spotty showers from Bledsoe County back through into Marion County, Franklin County, even a couple of little sprinkles around the Stevenson area. Pulling back a little bit further, the main activity is starting to develop and get going in Mississippi and into Alabama as this whole system kind of swings and sweeps up to the east-northeast over the next few hours. The Cumberland Plateau, I think you are going to see an increase in some rainfall for a little bit later this morning. And then certainly as we head into the afternoon, we're going to have some more storms moving through. So first, let's talk about just the next hour. Here's a look at future scan, taking that current radar, pushing out, and you can see just a few of those spotty light little showers moving across the area by about 5:45 a.m. One getting close to Dunlap, another one getting a little bit closer to the Pikeville area there in Bledsoe County, but not too bad as far as the early morning. So if you're going to go on that early morning drive, the roads generally should be dry. Here's a look, though, by about 1:30 this afternoon. Remember, these storms are very much hit and miss, so not everybody's going to be seeing one for the day today. It's kind of that summertime thing, so your neighbors 5 miles down the road may get a heavy downpour, and you're staying dry, or at least some light rainfall. But you can begin to see a little bit of activity for our valley spots closer to the metro area, but then especially up along the Cumberland Plateau and those higher elevations, some very heavy downpours possible. The whole system will then move through during the afternoon hours, so mid-afternoon, late afternoon, a little bit more widespread across the entire area. If you're in Cherokee County, staying pretty much dry for most of the day until about 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon, and then you'll see that activity picking up. Even for tonight, if you're in Tennessee, not quite as much, some lighter showers for you. But if you're in northeast Alabama, northwest Georgia, I think 9, 10 o'clock, there still could be some pockets of some heavy downpours, maybe some lightning and thunder. And then overall quieter during the nighttime hours. Heading into Thursday, we'll begin to have some of that activity picking up for mid-morning. And once again, those kind of hit and miss showers and storms, kind of small in size for Thursday afternoon developing. So I know we're talking about this pattern. It sounds like a broken record, but it's going to be continuing today, tomorrow, and for the day on Friday once more with those hit and miss showers and storms starting up in the morning hours once that sun rises, continuing right into the afternoon. So how much rainfall are we talking about? Well, anytime you get some of those stronger storms developing, and if they train, which means they're following the same track, we could easily get maybe 2 inches of rainfall through the end of the day on Thursday. On average, we'll say 1 to 2 inches. So the biggest problem with this is really going to be the potential for localized flooding. That's our biggest concern over the next couple of days. Now, the good news, at least, though, when you talk about this rainfall, keeps our pollen counts low. So for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I think we're going to be in that low category, kind of tick up a little bit as we head to the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, kind of that low medium category for that pollen count. Still, overall, we just have that combination of a little bit of tree pollen and a little bit of grass pollen for this time of year. So for today's forecast, warm and humid, those on and off showers and storms across the area. It'll be mostly cloudy overall, but I think we'll get a few peaks of sunshine and blue sky mixed in there. 84 for that high in Chattanooga today, 83 in Dalton, and 80 in Murphy. And then for tonight, some of those evening storms, then quieting down overnight, mostly cloudy with calm wind. 71 for the low in Chattanooga, 69 in Dayton, and 68 in Fort Payne. So overall, it'll be warm again for tomorrow morning starting off your day. 83 for that high on Thursday. Again, a 70% chance for those scattered showers and storms. Partly sunny on Friday and Saturday, kind of ticking down a little bit for that rainfall chances. And then Sunday is looking nicer, but it will still be humid. Combine that with 90 for that true air temperature. Heat index probably in the mid-90s on Sunday. Caroline?
Well, after all this rain, Allison, I think we can all handle a little bit of humidity on Sunday. Thank you.